Hey guys, it's Eric, and today we're going to be looking at my most recent purchase of the Schlage closet and hall doorknob. These are the accent doorknobs, so this is the one that kind of has this teardrop type of handle, which I completely love. I have this throughout my whole house. I just want to show you what comes with this and how easy it is to install. So you get the two handles, one for the front, one for the back. You get the latching mechanism. Now on my door, I'll show you really quick, it is not this shape, is actually like a circle shape. So I'm going to actually have to pop this thing off and put this one on. It's a little bit difficult, but I've done it before, but a lot of the latches in my house has this circle one, so I have to pop that off. It has a strike plate, screws that you need, and then this is to remove the handle so you can easily get the hardware in here without scratching up your handle. So you pop off the handle and push it in. I'll show you how to do that. All right, first thing you want to do to install it is just take out these two screws, and the two knobs will come completely off, and then you just pull this out. This out just like that. Boom. Now to get this plate off, all you need to do is put in a flathead screwdriver here and here, and then twist, and pops off. Boom. Go right on, just like that. To install your lock, you want to do everything in reverse. So now we're going to put this back in, make sure that the angle is correct, and then you want to install the handles. Now with this design, I noticed that the teardrop has to start from the bottom and go the way up. You can install it like this if you want to, but the real way, the correct way, is like this. So I have them all facing the same direction in my house. So this is going to go on the outside of the door, and then on the inside will be the other door handle. So now you just want to feed this through, make sure this goes through the center, just like that. And then make it easier to get the screws in, I suggest that you remove this handle. All you need to do is find the little hole, which is right there. And you take this little tool, you just push it in, and you want to slide the handle as you're pushing it in, and just like that, it pops right off. And then for the other side, there is a correct up and correct down. The way that you want to know is the handle part has to go with this latch right here. So there's nothing on the other side, there's an open, but wherever the handle is going to be, the side of the handle, that's where you want this little latch thing. So this is the top part. We're just gonna put that square right in there, and then everything else should line up once you do that. Boom. And then go ahead and put the screws in. And then the last part is just take the handle, make sure it's facing the right direction, and then just push it on. Boom. And now your latch is all installed. Hope this video was helpful. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.